Hi, how are you?
How are you?
We're here for a backflow test.
Yes.
Okay, you know where the valve is?
It's under the crawl space.
Okay, how do we get there?
Right over here. Sorry. I'm getting my kitchen done, so everything is everywhere. Okay, so right under here.
I'll lift it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Is there a light down there? I guess we'll find out.
Sure. Yeah.
All right, let's see how this goes. Okie dokie.
Okay.
Let's see. You got a little makeshift ladder.
Yeah, that's how I guess they put that here.
All right. All right, there it is. So your device is for the whole house and the sprinkler system, correct? The fire suppression system?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go see what we got. All right, Wilkins, 950 XL, 2-inch. Here's the meter. This is test port 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's test it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my test port adapters to 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to blow off the water, any debris that's on inside there. Next, after blowing out the water and air, close shutoff valve number 2. Like that. All right, next I'm going to connect my high pressure hose to test port number 3. Okay, I'm going to close all my valves on my Watts TK9A. Okay, now I'm going to open test port number 3, and I'm going to bleed air through A and B on my test kit. I'm going to close. All right, so B is open. All right, so I bled air through the high pressure hose through A to B. I closed B, and we're going to make sure that the needle stays pegged on the high side after closing shutoff valve number 1. Alright, shutoff valve number 1 is closed. The needle is staying pegged on the high side. Now we're going to slowly open B until the needle drops to 2 psid. Right there. Perfect. Now we're going to open test port number 2, and our needle should not drop below 1 psid, and it just barely moved to slightly under 2. So check valve number 1 is good. Let's close test port number 2 and 3. Let's open up. Open up. Shutoff valve number 1. And now let's move our hose, high pressure hose, to test port number 4. Okay, let's open test port number 4. Okay, and let's bleed air through that high pressure hose by opening A and B. We're going to close B. Needle staying pegged on the high side. Let's close shutoff valve number 1. Let's open up test port number B till it drops to 2 psid. Right there. Perfect. Let's open test port number 3. And drop to 1.5. Perfect. So check valve number 2 also passed. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you got a backflow device in your home or building, Don't neglect to have it tested on an annual basis. The fines for not doing an annual basis in 2024 is quite significant. $1,000 for a residential building. $1,000 for failure to test on an annual basis. Don't neglect it. Save some money. Call Pipe Doctor 516-348-6300.